Hi, in today's video we will learn how to draw house. A simple and easy way to draw house. So in this part I am going to draw the house and like this much area we are going to use for the house, and we are going to use the basic elements like the lines and the shapes. First of all I am drawing a rectangle, small rectangle over here. It will be like front of the house. Okay, I extended these two lines and from here I am going to make the slant lines. Which will be like roof. So again on top of it I'm going to make the square. These two should be at the same height and I'm not going to join the top part of the square. At top of it we are going to make triangle, which will make the roof of the house. And let's connect these two. Now after this we are making the side roof of the house with the horizontal line I'm using and connecting them. I'm drawing the vertical line and connecting the base line. So now the basic structure of the house is done. Now we are going to draw the doors and windows. For the doors again I am using the basic shape, that is rectangle. Our house is all done with the basic lines and basic shapes, like we are using square, triangles, rectangles like this. Now I'm making square for the windows, and also I'm double outlining everything. Like you can see I double outline the door, and now I will double outline the window as well. These two are going to be the windows on the side of the house, and one more window I will make at this top part. It will be a little bit rectangular in shape, and again I will going to outline it twice. Now we have to make the windows, the proper windows. For that I'm using the slant line, and this way looks like the windows are open. And I draw a little handle on the door. I'm making few lines in the roof part to make it look a little bit better, because that looks too simple. Okay, now I draw some grass. For that I'm using curve lines. Now in this drawing we are not going to use outline first, we are going to color first. I'm using my Sketchpens for this one. And we are not going to fill the color, we are going to do the color in very different way today. And we are going to scribble, like we are going to make rounds and rounds and round. Let me do, and I can show you how I'm doing. Let me zoom it out little bit so that it will be visible to you guys. I'm just moving my hand in circular motion and creating the scribble. So like this, wherever you want to fill which color, you just have to scribble. And in the same manner I'm doing this side part of the house too. Okay, so we're done with the yellow. Here I'm going to fill the orange. So wherever you want to fill, whichever color you want to fill, you just have to scribble with that color. And you know, kids mostly love this type of coloring. Like they love to scribble and fill the color. And also it's like a different technique to fill the colors. And like this I fill coloring in my house. Now it's time to fill on the doors and the windows. I'm using brown color. Okay, now we will do the grass part. For first I had used yellow, and then I will do the green. So in the grass part I give two layers, like it's yellow and green. Now we are going to outline everything, and for outlining I'm using my thick marker pen. You can see I'm doing the borders of the window. In this way we are going to outline everything, all the shapes, all the lines of the house. I'm using my thick marker and giving the borders little bit thick. Frame you can see I have created around the windows and doors. And this is how we are done with the drawing part. If you like these types of video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep connected with me. Thank you. Bye.